Hi.
Oh, hi.
Is that blue or green?
Is green.
Looks good on you. Alright, I'm gonna. Can I sing a song?
You can.
Alright, let me try.
Oh my goodness.
I see forever when I look in your eyes.
Oh
You're
my
all
god.
I've
You're so
ever
good.
wanted. I always wanted you to be mine. Let's make a promise till the end of time. We'll always be together, and our love will never die. I'm a bit nervous. Sorry. So
No,
here
you're
we
so
are,
good.
face to face and heart to heart. I want you to know we will never be apart. Now I believe that wishes can come true. 'Cause I see my whole world, I see only you. When I look into your eyes, I can see how much I love you, and it makes me realize. When I look into your eyes, I see all my dreams come true. When I look into your eyes.
That's so good, dude. You're
Thank you.
so good. I play the piano. I know it's so hard to play an instrument and sing at the same time. You're so great. Congrats.
Thank you. It's because your eyes so beautiful. What's your name?
Greta. Greta.
Greta. Alright. That was a
Yeah,
cool name.
yeah. What's your name?
My name is Dimas. Dimas.
Dimas. Are you actually you're from Korea?
No, I'm not from Korea. I'm actually from Indonesia, Southeast Asia.
Okay, I get it. That's so cool, dude. You're so good at singing.
Thank you. Where are you from, actually? Is that from Italy?
Uh, yeah, I'm from Italy.
I actually want to try Italian song.
Okay, go.
Che bella cosa, una giornata e sole, un'aria serena, dopo una tempesta, bell'aria fresca, para già una festa. Che bella cosa, una giornata sole. Mannato sole, che bello, oh sole mio, stanno a fronte a te, oh sole mio, stanno a fronte a te. Stanno a fronte a te.
You're just so good.
Thank you.
Oh, so good.
Wow.
No, you're too kind, dude.
No, I'm being
Oh yeah, and
honest.
then this one. No shit. I'm stuck.
Wow. I didn't do anything. Did you were lagging? Crap. The same. It's already been like 2 fucking time. As you can see, my hand is right here. Okay, so I'm gonna find
Why are you?
Sneeze. Where am I? What? Have a nice day.
Again?
Alright. Enjoy your game.
No, it's okay.
Alright, what do you want me to do?
I still don't know.
Okay. I'm about to sing a song for you, alright?
Okay, then do it. I will listen to it.
Alright. I'm afraid your parents gonna wake up because my voice is like this. Is it gonna wake up your
Everything's
parent?
fine. You can scream now.
Alright! Sorry. Sorry. I didn't mean that. The best thing about tonight that we're not fighting. Could it be that we have been this way before? I know you don't think that I am trying. I know you wear it things down to the core. But hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, 'cause I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true. Because a girl like you is impossible to find. You're impossible to find. Alright. Thank you.
In your eyes, the
Lagging. It's a fucking lagging. I swear I didn't do anything, Lion. If you watch this video, I literally didn't do anything. Enjoy
You
your
play?
meal, sir. Yeah, I play.
Thank you. I want to listen.
Alright. I wanna try. Italian song.
Okay.
Che bella cosa, una giornata sole, un'aria serena, dopo una tempesta, bell'aria fresca, para già una festa. Che bella cosa, una giornata sole. Mannato sole, che bello, oh sole mio, stanno pronti a te. Oh sole mio, stanno pronti a te. Stanno pronti a te.
You are good, very nice.
Thank you.
Bravo.